this hose first before you start starting this thing up and melt it on the pipes.
Most important part of the job, cleaning up the tools.
I haven't got that far yet. There's some impression this battery's going to work.
There's some doubt
Are you filming yet?
that the battery is substandard on this machine.
Okay, tell them everything we did the last 2 days.
Man, that's a big list. Okay,
And
this
more.
engine is a complete fresh rebuild.
That was already done 2 days ago.
In 48 hours, this bike has had
I think I lighten the noise.
carburation,
Jeez. Who polished that chrome up? Jeez.
It's kind of shiny, huh?
Yeah.
primary
Now it's too
installation,
shiny. I just can't win.
Jeez.
new spark plug wires,
There, it can't work.
new coil mount, rewiring,
What's wrong with this hose where it was? You didn't like it?
rewiring for the starting system, rewiring on the charging system.
You're just making stuff up now. How are we going to do this here? I think we're just going to zip tie this.
It looks good, but will it run?
No.
Yeah.
Perfecting the breather hose routing.
Yeah. Trying to anyway.
2001 Indian, complete engine overhaul.
Okay. That's tied in. And we'll let the curl of the hose bring it down away from the bike so it doesn't shoot all over the bike. It doesn't blow on the tire over there. Alright, that's done.
There was some doubts about the battery. You want to take a reading on it?
I don't care, we'll find out when we start it. If it even starts.
2001 Indian Chief, complete engine overhaul. Scout, excuse me. Edit.
Ew, look at the muck. Here, look at that. That is original Indian brake fluid in there. That is some nice stuff.
Oh.
Look at the color of that.
Oh, what is that crap on the bottom?
That is some nice stuff. That is original equipment, manufacturer brake fluid. Let me get rid of some of that. Whenever I see crops like that, I only think of one thing: crop paper.
Dried up the reservoir, took all the bad fluid out.
Yeah, look at the color of that nice white paper. That is some good stuff.
Hey, this is $6, Billy.
All right. Chances are the rear brakes might need to be, maybe have some clean fluid put in there.
Gone through just like everything else on the motorcycle.
Now you know
Overall, not a bad looking machine.
Now you
Let's
know
see
what
how she
13-year-old
runs.
brake fluid looks like.
13-year-old brake fluid.
That's right.
Maybe the oil was 13-year-old.
No, he didn't have the oil in the motor, that was the problem.
13-year-old oil would have been a good thing.
You have to have oil in your motor when you run it. Yes. It makes it. Is that .5 or I don't know what that is. It says Harley on it. I won't tell them it's in Harley fluid in there, would you?
Harley oil in an Indian? That's not gonna work.
Yeah, maybe. It looks like somebody pissed in it though.
A little bit of difference.
Ooh, look
Looks
at the
like a
muck
good
on the
boysenberry
top.
syrup.
Yeah. Temporary. Ooh, look at those brakes. Still don't work. Squat. All right.
Do
gonna-
not watch this because that is evidence.
Evidence we don't know how to start a bike.
This motorcycle is not hot wired.
What is it? Does it have an idiot light? Hey, it's got a red light on. That might mean the oil light's on. That would be a good sign. Alright, let's see what happens. It doesn't work. Where's the idle speed at? I'll get the choke on anyway. The lifter's around me a little bit.
Oil's got to run through.
You give him a chance to get to it first. Gotta give it a chance to get blown up. Shut off and on that time. It's got to turn petcock back on, remember? It helps to have fuel in the motor.
Yeah, a little bit.
Or in the carburetor, not the motor, in the carburetor.
Yeah.
They run a lot better.
With fuel.
Yes. Fuel and oil is a good thing to have on your bike. And there's nothing coming back yet. Alright, we'll try it again, I guess. Flatter a little.
Initial test fire 2001 Indian complete overhaul.
Starting to get less flatter.
I have a set of those. On that front end, I have on that roller I just sold, that rolling chassis I just sold.
I'm just warming it up. Loosen up a little bit, starting to rev better. I think there's a rev limiter up there somewhere. Oil's pumping.
What's that leaking right there?
That's an oil leak,
What? Brake fluid?
probably. Maybe that's coming out up here. Leak. I think it's out of the rear one.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah. Gasket's not in the rear one.
You mind if I use your dirty rag?
What
Or try to use a new one?
What are you making now? I didn't know what to make. I'll use this one for me. It's hot, you can hear it tweaking. I'm gonna let it cool off for about 10-15 minutes and we'll light it off again. Check the plug. Did you check the plug light? I'm gonna check the plug.